Hello, Nicky here. Excel is such a useful package, but one of the best things is how it can help you with calculations. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to add up a list of numbers with just a few clicks. So here are some figures, and here is where I want the answer to go. So I can just click here where I want the answer, and from the home ribbon at the top here, I'm going to click on the Autosum button. Kind of looks like a funny backwards Z. What Excel does is it guesses what you want to add up, and the marching ants here show you its guess. Now if it guessed correctly, you just need to press enter on your keyboard. And there we've got our answer. Now if I click on the answer, you'll see that the cell shows the answer, but up here on the formula bar, you can see the formula or calculation. And you'll see it says equals sum, and that just means add up. Then the bit inside the bracket tells Excel which bits to add up, in this case from cell B2 to cell B7. But let's go back a stage. What happens if it doesn't guess the right cells? Well, let's try it out. So if I click here and go up to my Autosum, you can see the marching ants are here, but I want to add up this column. So I need to just click and drag over the cells I do want. Check the marching ants are in the right place and then press enter on your keyboard. Now if you don't like the guessing element, then you can always tell Excel exactly what you want by selecting the cells you want to add and where you want the answer. So I'll select these and then press Autosum. I'll just show you that again. One of the best things about adding up in Excel is not just how quick it is, but if your numbers change, so will your total. Clever, huh? Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.